Hey people, so this is one of these cute videos we do, and that is my little rabbit. He's doing these binkies. So yeah, I have 4 rabbits, right? So I used to pretend to chase Theo. He'll do a binky, I think. Yeah, that's he likes it. He's like, are you see? This is recorded on camera. This is so cute. And this is one more little lady here, and a fourth rabbit. 4 rabbits.
And another one.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, this is so nice just to sit here with these little animals.
Favorite, Mummy?
I think I like this Theo, but I'm most worried for Theo. But I like the white one. Where is the white one gone? But bring him, Ayush. He's a pani puri size for Ayush. All 4 of them are meeting here. Hey, sweethearts, no going out. No going out. Come on. Come this way. Sweetie pie, no going. Ah, that's right. Okay, so now it's so difficult to shoot this video. Okay, yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Oh, there she's doing binky.